Good morning, everybody. My name is Cristhian Morales. I'm an emergency clinician. I'm glad to present the project developing questions for rapid reviews based on the routine use of medical data to identify adverse drug reactions, ADRs. ADRs are defined as any response to a drug which is noxious and can seriously affect the health of people who consume them. Our hypothesis is this medical data collected from various sources of information, when properly used, may generate questions for rapid reviews. That is an efficient way to produce timely evidence. Our goal is to create relevant questions to perform rapid reviews based on the routine use of medical data to determine ADRs among the population affiliated with the Colombian healthcare system, diminishing, of course, the incidence of inadequate drug prescriptions, also reporting ADR information to local and international agencies of pharmacosurveillance. In our methods, we revise ADRs and ADR suspicion database from drugs and supplies dispensed by Confandi, the major health service provided at Valle del Cauca State in Colombia, which attends 500,000 patients of the Colombian Social Security System from 2017 to 2019. Confandi owns 18 health care centers and provide inpatients and outpatient care. This information was obtained of the GIGAX, our system to report ADRs, and SAP. We use this program to collect the clinical records in our patients. We obtain different statistics, for example, health insurance providers, healthcare centers, user, drug, disease, prescribing doctor, and dosage form. This project was approved by the ethics committee of Confandi. After that, we, using the international classification of diseases, we retrieved the use of the drugs and verified on Cochrane Library and Prospero in order to know if there is evidence and protocols and clinical use of these specific drugs in the specific diagnosis. In our results, we retrieved 758 reports for 84 different drugs and supplies. The anatomical and therapeutic classification groups with the most report was anti-infectives with 30%, and the drug with a major number of reports was enalapril, 5%, 38 reports, and this is the top 10 list drugs with the highest numbers of ADRs in our patients. According to the World Health Organization adverse reaction terminology, the most frequent disorders were skin disorders with 38%, general disorders with 15%. And this is the list of questions for rapid reviews. To perform rapid reviews, we found one question to perform in neurology, another one in gastroenterology, 3 of them in hepatology, and other 3 in neglected tropical diseases, and 2 of them in infectious diseases. In our conclusion, pharmacosurveillance may reduce the morbidity, mortality, and cost in healthcare systems, and routine use of medical data may generate target research questions for rapid reviews that respond to local needs within clinical practice. Of course, it's an important way to report this ADR to local and international agencies, in our case in BIMA and Uppsala Monitoring Center in Sweden, and it's an important way of rationalizing resources within clinical practice. Limitations: passive pharmacosurveillance has shown an important underreporting of the actual number of adverse events, and not every drug and supply is valid to perform questions for rapid reviews. Thank you for your attention.